Imagine walking into a home with soaring vaulted ceilings, exposed wooden beams contrasting against sleek marble countertops, a stone fireplace as your centerpiece, and polished concrete floors that scream industrial elegance. Now imagine building all of this for 40 to 60% less than a traditional luxury home. Sound impossible? It's not. Welcome to the world of luxury rustic-chic Quonset Barndominiums, where high-end design meets affordability. And I'm about to show you exactly how much it costs to build one in 2025. Here's what most people don't realize about Quonset Barndominiums. They're not just budget storage sheds anymore. In 2025, designers and architects are transforming these curved steel structures into some of the most stunning luxury homes you've ever seen. We're talking about homes that blend rustic warmth with contemporary sophistication, creating that coveted rustic chic aesthetic that's dominating Pinterest and Instagram right now. The beauty of a luxury Quonset Barndominium is that you get that distinctive curved architecture that immediately sets you apart from every cookie-cutter McMansion in America, while the completely open interior gives you a blank canvas to create magazine-worthy spaces. Today, I'm breaking down the real costs, the design elements that make these homes absolutely breathtaking, and why this might be the smartest luxury home investment you'll make. Before we dive in, if you want to see more content like this about alternative luxury housing, hit that subscribe button right now and turn on notifications. And stick around until the end, because I'll reveal a company that can build these stunning homes at surprisingly low prices. What is luxury rustic chic aesthetic? Let's talk about what luxury rustic chic actually means, because this isn't your grandmother's farmhouse. Rustic chic is that perfect marriage of raw, natural elements with refined, upscale finishes. Think exposed steel beams paired with crystal chandeliers, reclaimed barnwood accent walls next to floor-to-ceiling windows, a stone fireplace anchoring a living room filled with plush velvet furniture and contemporary art. In a Quonset Barndominium, this aesthetic works incredibly well because the curved steel structure itself becomes part of the industrial chic design. You're not fighting against the architecture, you're enhancing it. The key elements include natural materials like wood and stone, metallic accents in brushed brass or matte copper, neutral color palettes with pops of rich textures, high-end lighting fixtures that serve as art pieces, and luxury finishes in kitchens and bathrooms that rival five-star hotels. The result? A home that feels both cozy and sophisticated, rustic and refined, unique and timeless. It's luxury living that doesn't scream, "Look at me," but instead whispers elegance through thoughtful design choices. The cost breakdown. Now let's talk real numbers, because this is where Quonset Barndominiums become incredibly attractive for luxury builds. For a 40 by 60 Quonset structure providing 2,400 square feet, here's your baseline cost. The building kit package runs $31,000 to $48,000. Custom end walls with large windows and doors cost $8,000 to $12,000. Foundation work is $14,400 to $24,000. Professional assembly adds $10,000 to $15,000. Your weatherproof shell totals $63,400 to $99,000. Now here's where luxury rustic chic finishes come in. For a truly high-end interior, you're looking at $120 to $180 per square foot for interior finishes. This includes spray foam insulation at $8,000 to $12,000 for full coverage, reclaimed wood flooring or stained polished concrete at $18,000 to $28,000, custom kitchen with high-end appliances, stone countertops, and custom cabinetry at $45,000 to $75,000, spa-like bathrooms with soaking tubs, walk-in showers, and luxury fixtures at $35,000 to $55,000. For exposed beam treatments and metal accents budget $12,000 to $18,000. Stone fireplace installation costs $8,000 to $15,000. High-end lighting, including statement chandeliers and designer fixtures, runs $8,000 to $15,000. Custom millwork, built-ins, and architectural details add $15,000 to $25,000. Premium HVAC systems cost $15,000 to $22,000. For a fully finished luxury 40 by 60 Quonset Barndominium, expect total cost between $350,000 and $530,000, which breaks down to $146 to $221 per square foot. Compare this to traditional luxury home construction at $250 to $400+ per square foot, and you're saving $100,000 to $250,000 on the same square footage with the same luxury finishes. For those wanting even more space, a 50 by 80 building with 4,000 square feet can be built with luxury finishes for $580,000 to $850,000, still significantly less than comparable traditional construction. Luxury design elements. Let me walk you through the specific design elements that transform a basic Quonset structure into a luxury, rustic-chic masterpiece. The vaulted ceilings are your first wow factor. With 16 to 20-foot clearances at the center, you have room for dramatic statement lighting. Install oversized chandeliers, modern pendant clusters, or even a custom wrought iron fixture that draws the eye upward. The curved ceiling itself becomes an architectural feature when properly finished with wood planking or left as exposed insulated steel. Exposed beams and trusses add that essential rustic element. Use reclaimed barnwood or new timber with rich stain treatments. These beams can run horizontally across the curved ceiling or be integrated into wall partitions, creating visual interest and authentic farmhouse character. The stone fireplace serves as your room's anchor. A floor-to-ceiling stone feature wall with a modern gas fireplace insert creates that perfect blend of rustic and contemporary. Use natural stacked stone, river rock, or even sleek slate for different effects. Flooring choices define your luxury level. Polished and stained concrete offers industrial chic appeal with incredibly low maintenance. Wide plank hardwood and rich walnut or reclaimed barnwood brings warmth. Luxury vinyl plank provides wood looks with superior durability. Layer with plush area rugs and neutral tones for softness. Kitchen design is where rustic chic truly shines. Install an oversized island with waterfall countertops in marble or quartz. Use two-tone cabinetry mixing painted lowers with natural wood uppers. Add open shelving with reclaimed wood. Include a dramatic backsplash using geometric tiles or natural stone. Install commercial-grade stainless appliances. Finish with statement pendant lighting in brass or copper. Bathroom luxury rivals high-end spas. Install freestanding soaking tubs positioned near windows. Create walk-in showers with rain heads and body sprays. Use reclaimed wood vanities with stone or quartz tops. Add black matte fixtures for modern contrast. Include heated floors for ultimate comfort. Windows and natural light maximize the open feeling. Install floor-to-ceiling windows on end walls. Add large picture windows along the curved sides with custom framing. Include skylights for overhead natural light. Use black-framed windows for industrial appeal. Built-in features and millwork add custom touches. Create window seats and alcoves. Install floating shelves with hidden lighting. Add barn doors on premium hardware. Include custom closet systems. Design library walls with floor-to-ceiling built-ins. Real design examples. Let me describe what an actual luxury rustic-chic Quonset Barndominium looks like walking through the front door. You enter through custom wood and steel double doors into a 2-story great room. Your eyes immediately travel up to the vaulted 20-foot ceiling where a stunning mixed metal chandelier hangs as the focal point. The curved ceiling is finished in horizontal shiplap painted soft white, with exposed dark wood beams creating contrast. To your left, a massive stone fireplace rises 18 feet, anchoring a seating area with a plush sectional and charcoal gray, leather accent chairs, and a reclaimed wood coffee table. The flooring is wide plank white oak in a natural finish, partially covered by a large ivory wool rug. Straight ahead, the open concept kitchen features a 10-foot island with white marble waterfall countertops. Lower cabinets are painted sage green, while uppers are natural walnut. A geometric tile backsplash in whites and grays adds pattern. 3 oversized brass pendants hang over the island. Top-of-the-line stainless appliances include a 48-inch range and panel-ready refrigerator. The curved walls on either side feature black-framed windows flooding the space with light. One side has built-in shelving displaying curated decor, books, and plants. The other side opens to the primary suite through a sliding barn door on matte black hardware. The primary bathroom is pure luxury, with a freestanding soaking tub centered under a skylight, an oversized walk-in shower with floor-to-ceiling marble tile, a reclaimed wood double vanity with vessel sinks and matte black fixtures throughout. A steel and wood floating staircase leads to a loft overlooking the great room, serving as a home office with dramatic views down to the living space and out through the windows. Cost-saving strategies for luxury looks. Here's how to achieve luxury aesthetics while being strategic with your budget. Prioritize your splurge areas. Go high-end on kitchen and primary bath, since these drive home value. Use statement lighting as your jewelry pieces. Invest in quality flooring that spans the entire space. Mix high and low strategically. Use luxury materials in focal areas like the kitchen island or fireplace surround, but choose quality alternatives elsewhere. Combine expensive natural stone in the primary bath with luxury vinyl in guest baths. Install reclaimed wood on accent walls only, using paint on other walls. The concrete slab foundation can be polished and stained to look like expensive flooring at a fraction of the cost. Add radiant heating underneath for luxury comfort. Use DIY for non-structural elements. Install your own light fixtures. Paint walls and trim yourself. Add decorative elements and styling personally. Source vintage and reclaimed items from salvage yards for authentic character at low prices. Phase your finishes if needed. Complete the shell and essential systems first. Finish living areas to luxury standards initially. Complete secondary spaces like guest rooms or bonus areas later as budget allows. Why Quonset works for luxury. You might wonder why choose a Quonset structure for a luxury home. Here are the compelling reasons. The dramatic curved architecture creates instant visual interest that traditional homes can't match. It's inherently unique, making your home a conversation piece and standout property. The completely open floor plan allows for grand, flowing spaces perfect for entertaining. Without load-bearing walls or columns, you design your layout exactly as you envision with no structural constraints. The construction cost savings of 40 to 50% on the shell allows you to invest more in luxury finishes. You're not overpaying for basic structure, so your budget goes toward the elements that create the luxury experience. The durability and low maintenance mean your luxury investment lasts. Steel won't rot, warp, or deteriorate. You'll never repaint the exterior or replace the roof. Your investment stays protected long-term. The energy efficiency of properly insulated Quonset structures means lower operating costs. You can afford to heat and cool your luxury home without astronomical utility bills. The company recommendation. Now, as promised, let me tell you about Steelmaster USA, one of the leading companies building quality Quonset structures at competitive prices. Steelmaster has been creating custom Quonset buildings for decades and offers complete customization to meet your luxury home vision. They provide custom pricing based on your specific design and location, working with you through every step to ensure your building meets local codes. Many homeowners have successfully used Steelmaster shells as the foundation for stunning luxury barndominiums, and they're known for quality materials and straightforward assembly processes. Final thoughts. Building a luxury rustic-chic Quonset Barndominium in 2025 represents one of the smartest ways to achieve high-end living without the traditional luxury home price tag. You're getting distinctive architecture, completely customizable interiors, and the ability to create magazine-worthy spaces for significantly less investment. The key is understanding that luxury isn't about spending the most money. It's about making strategic choices that create impact. The Quonset structure gives you massive cost savings on the shell, allowing you to invest in the finishes, fixtures, and details that actually create the luxury experience. Whether you're building a weekend retreat, a primary residence, or an investment property, the combination of rustic warmth and contemporary elegance in a Quonset Barndominium creates something truly special. You'll have a home that's uniquely yours, built to last generations, and designed to impress everyone who walks through your doors. If you found this breakdown helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more content on alternative luxury homes, barndominiums, and cost-effective ways to build your dream home. Drop a comment below telling me what luxury feature you'd include in your Quonset Barndominium. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.